Leo, did you rip the dog's head off from the book? Are you eating the dog's head? Leo, Leo, give me back the dog's head. Leo, Leo. My child is a monster. It never stops. Leo! Leo. Leo. Are you tired yet, buddy? Leo? It's 9:30, buddy. You want to go to bed?
Quiet.